The Toyota Camry is one of the best-selling sedans on sale right now, and Toyota wants to keep the ball rolling as it moves into 2021. In order to keep the perennial midsize sedan fresh, Toyota has made a number of meaningful changes to the Camry for 2021. Outside, a number of small updates to the Camry's front fascia, better separate LE and XLE models from sportier-looking SE and XSE trims. The L trim is dead, meaning the LE is now the least expensive Camry you can buy. It celebrates this feat with a new set of 17-inch wheels. Likewise, the XLE gets a new 18-inch wheel design. Both trims add a more defined chin to the bottom of the front bumper. Meanwhile, SE and XSE models get small adjustments to the front bumper and feature a new honeycomb grille design. The 2021 model year, too, though it remains the same from a performance perspective. Toyota has dropped the trim's striking red from its exterior color palette and replaced it with Ice Edge, an almost Arctic blue color. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are now standard on the TRD and optional on the LE, SE, and SE Nightshade. The latter trims were previously unavailable with such features. All powertrains carry over unchanged from the 2020 cars. That means most Camrys get a 2.5-liter i4 that makes as much as 206 HP at 6,600 RPM and 186 lb-ft of torque at 5,000 RPM. Beefier models keep the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 that makes 301 HP at 6,600 RPM and 267 lb-ft of torque at 4,700 RPM. Both engines pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The hybrid remains unchanged, as well. Its 2.5-liter i4 mates with a 118 HP electric motor that brings total system output to 208 HP. That engine/motor combo is paired to Toyota's eCVT.